When we set out to build the world's fastest database machine, we thought about computing in an entirely new way. Oracle spent over 30 years developing the world's most popular database software. We looked at how we could apply that learning to create the ideal system for running the Oracle database. We wanted better performance, higher availability, and tighter security than had ever been possible before. The result is the Oracle Exadata Database Machine. Every component has been optimized to run the Oracle database faster and more reliably than ever before. And Exadata comes pre-configured as a complete system, ready to load data and connect applications. We were determined to eliminate the trial and error and bottlenecks of traditional systems.
What's unique about Exadata is how we have moved the database processing closer to the data, actually into the storage where the data resides. Instead of shipping data blocks up to the database servers, we send the database requests down to the storage servers. We then use the processing power in the storage to scan and filter the data. There's much less data sent across the network and also much less processing in the database servers. This speeds performance 10 or more times for data-intensive workloads such as data warehousing and reporting.
Another innovation we are really proud of is the use of flash memory for caching active data by using ultra-high-performance flash PCI cards. Reading a database record from Exadata Flash instead of a disk can be 30 times faster. And Exadata automatically decides what data to put into flash versus disk, so you get the performance of the flash and the cost of disk.
We also wanted to allow customers to retain vast amounts of information and do so at a fraction of their current cost. With Exadata hybrid columnar compression, you can compress data by a factor of 10 or more, turning 100 terabytes of data into 10 terabytes. Compressed data not only minimizes your future disk purchases, it also improves the performance of Exadata, since every time you read one compressed block, it is as if you had performed 10 block reads. Given the immense data bandwidth of Exadata, we needed equally high bandwidth connectivity to tie together storage and database servers. We chose an InfiniBand network, which at 40 gigabits a second is much faster than competing technology.
Exadata is optimized for any database workload. Other systems are designed solely for running data warehouse workloads and require a niche database and specialized administrators. And unlike those data warehousing appliances, Exadata has been engineered for 24/7 availability and end-to-end security. Exadata runs all types of workloads, including data warehousing, transaction processing, content management, and packaged applications. So you can consolidate all types of workloads onto one machine to lower costs and boost performance.
We chose Intel-based processors and other industry-standard hardware components to keep hardware costs low and take advantage of the latest technologies.
Customers are reporting improvements in performance and capacity that are astounding. One of the largest communication service providers in Europe replaced 11 racks of high-end equipment with one rack of Exadata. They compressed 250 terabytes of data into 25 terabytes and improved average performance by 10 times. A European investment bank improved performance 17 times with no change to their application. And a Japanese telecom replaced a 36-rack warehouse appliance with only 3 racks of Exadata and boosted performance by up to 8 times.
With a database machine this powerful and this efficient at storing data, the return on investment isn't the typical 20 or 30%. It's orders of magnitude. The Oracle Exadata Database Machine will change the way you think about computing.